Hey, have you seen the new Silent Flute program? Check this out. Here I'll navigate to my Google Drive app in the bottom left of my screen. Open it up and you just log in with your Gmail account. You'll see several folders. I'll scroll to my Silent Flute. That's just personal to you, what folders you have. Go into a Silent Flute and you'll see the 7 main folders. How to use this archive all the way down through the lecture folder. So turn it sideways so you can see easier. I'll open up the lecture folder and show you kind of what that looks like. You know, these will continue to improve through time. Right now they're categorized, organized by date, and I'll show you here in a moment where the lecture notes are in the home folder, the how to use this archive. There's the table of lectures, table of contents, the lecture notes, so you can rapidly upload all of the lecture content. These are typewritten, about a page or two per lecture, and the lectures are each about an hour. And you go back through, everybody gets a custom curriculum through this archive. You don't have to find them all on your own, but just to give you a sample, here's the communication folder, some word energetics all the way through face stretching and warming up your voice, and you know how to really use your influence, your breathing. Here is an example. You go to the first breathing folder, click on the first video, and this will get you started with some belly breathing.
Namaste, everyone.
That's lovely, and that's the archive. Hey, thanks for watching my Google Drive tour of the Silent Flute archive. If you're interested in joining the Silent Flute, I'm offering a free clarity call. This is a 15-minute call with just some questions to see if the Silent Flute training actually fits your outcomes and your goals right now. And the link is provided for that. Look forward to seeing you there.